Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to give you a sewing tip explaining how I use Selvage for doll clothes. Selvage is that finished edge of cut fabric that's sometimes marked with mystical information. Alright, so let's take a look at some selvage. This green plaid has a plain white edge to it, and that's the selvage. It says designed exclusively for Joanne, and it tells you that it's cotton. Now on the other side, usually there's another swatch of white, but this green one happens to be a little bit different, and so it just has a nice edge to it. And in fact, selvage doesn't fray, which is nice. Now when I make cut off shorts or capris for dolls, I purchase denim that has a fray-look edge. That edge is the selvage. And then I pin my pattern on the fabric's selvage to simulate the frayed look of cut-off shorts or cut-off capri pants. Here's a pair of capri pants with that cut-off look. It really is cute. But what's up with the mystical circles? When I first started sewing, I didn't know. Well, let's take a look. So here you see a multicolored fabric, and along the edge, these little circles indicate the colors that are being used in that fabric. So you can find these little sort of red or orangey colored flowers match, and then the blue matches that blue on the one. Now after getting my fabric cut at the cut counter, I take it with me to the ribbon or the rickrack section of the store, and then I compare the colors on the selvage to these embellishments like rickrack, ribbon, and any other notions that I might want, zippers for example. These color swatches help me match the notions to the fabric and any supplemental fabrics that will be used. For example, this pink doesn't quite match that number 4, it's just a little too orange, but the pink on the left matches number 5 nicely. This tool is super helpful when you're working with multicolored fabrics. Now take a look at the number 3 pink here. See that number 3 pink at the tips of the orange flowers? If it weren't for that mark on the selvage, I never would have even noticed that pink, that pale pink in the fabric. So that's how selvage can be your friend when you're shopping for fabric for making doll clothes. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos and my free patterns, please share them on social media. It actually helps my website grow when you help spread the word.